Just got a T-Mobile SIM card and wondering how to activate T-Mobile SIM? Whether you're switching carriers or setting up a brand new phone, I'll walk you through exactly how to get your T-Mobile SIM card up and running. It's pretty straightforward, and you've got a couple of options depending on how you want to do it. Method 1, activate on your phone. Let's start with the most common method, right from your phone. Here's what you do. Power off your phone and insert your T-Mobile SIM card. Turn your phone back on and wait for on-screen prompts. If nothing shows up, or if you want to confirm activation, call T-Mobile at 1-800-T-Mobile. Be ready to share your SIM card number or your phone's IMEI if asked. You can find the IMEI under your phone settings, usually in the About Phone section. Method 2, activate online. If you'd rather not make a call, you can also do it online. Go to the T-Mobile website in your browser. Sign in to your account or create a T-Mobile ID if you're new. Select the phone line you want to activate the SIM for. Verify your identity with a quick security check. Enter the SIM card's ICCID number. That's the long number printed right on the SIM. Hit submit and wait for confirmation. After that, restart your phone, and you should be connected. How to activate T-Mobile Prepaid SIM. Now, if you're activating a prepaid SIM, the steps are almost the same. Just pop it into your phone and call 1-800-937-8977. That's the prepaid support line. They'll help finish the activation. And again, have your SIM number and IMEI ready just in case they ask. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can either activate your T-Mobile SIM on your phone with a quick call, or handle it all online if that's easier. Either way, you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Hope this helped. If it did, feel free to drop a comment or hit that like button. And hey, if you've got questions about prepaid, porting numbers, or anything else mobile related, let me know. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.